Top headlines for the day.
बेस्ट था फर्स्ट हाफ, सेकंड हाफ बहुत अच्छा था.
It's an amazing movie and I think it's a must watch. Obviously Shah Rukh Khan fans, hats off Shah Rukh Khan. Too good.
It is good. It's like how to be in a, how to get out of the relationship, or it's just like a family matters. It was good.
Yeah, it was unique. The concept of the psychological effect that the Alia faces. So it was a good concept.
बहुत अच्छी लगी, बहुत अच्छी.
मूवी बहुत अच्छी थी. शाहरुख खान ने बहुत अच्छा रोल प्ले किया. आलिया भट्ट ने भी बहुत अच्छा रोल प्ले किया.
It is beautiful and fantastic movie. It is a very different topic which they have taken in so far. And Shah Rukh has done a brilliant job in it.
हाँ बहुत अलग थी, लाइक बॉलीवुड कमर्शियल से टोटली अलग थी. ये नॉर्मल लाइक लाइफ के ऊपर थी, तो पूरा अच्छे से उसने पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया कि प्रॉब्लम से कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, बस उतना ही था.
It's nice. It's not that daily. It's not a jodi. It's not always that romantic and that kind of a thing. But it's a very different concept. Obviously, message and plus Gauri Shinde always comes up with a bang. So.
आजकल बहुत स्ट्रेस एंजाइटी पीपल फेस करते, तो उससे गेटअप होने के लिए ये मूवी काम आएगी.
बहुत डिफरेंट मूवी है, अच्छी मूवी है, हम सबको देखनी चाहिए.
Yeah, everyone can relate to it because जो दिखाया है मूवी में 100% हर आदमी की ज़िंदगी में वो होता रहता है. And somewhere somewhat I feel I have also related to it, and somewhere I have also played some of the parts what in my real life same way. So I think it is relatable to everyone in your
रियल लाइफ में काम आ सकता है अगर आप उसको अच्छे से यूज करो, तो अगर अच्छे से देखोगे तो काम आएगा, वरना नहीं आएगा काम. हाँ यूनिक है, फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कि लाइफ के ऊपर है और रोमांस के अलावा. और
द थॉट प्रोसेस बहुत ही अच्छी थी. सो ऑब्वियसली आगे जाके सब लोग को इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहिए. हमारी जो आजकल की जनरेशन है उसके लिए तो बहुत ज़रूरी है.
परफेक्ट जोड़ी है, लाइक एकदम बेस्ट. अगर आदित्य रॉय कपूर का कैमियो है उस पे, तो वो भी बहुत परफेक्टली एकदम
अच्छे लग रहे हैं दोनों, बहुत सूट करे. जोड़ी नहीं है एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि वो शाहरुख उसका थेरेपिस्ट है, तो वो बताता है उसे कि प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे डील करते हैं. तो फिर हमें भी पता चलता है कि हमें अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे समझना चाहिए, उनके साथ कैसे डील करना चाहिए.
बहुत अच्छी जोड़ी है. वो जोड़ी नहीं है, वो एक अलग ही कैरेक्टर्स है दोनों जो एक साथ रिलेट करते हैं, केमिस्ट्री क्रिएट करते हैं, बट इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे. दे आर नॉट अ कपल और अ जोड़ी इन इट. They are a different people, different characters who are playing, and somewhere they are relating to each other.
सॉन्ग्स अच्छे हैं, 2-3 ही है, बट जितने भी है बहुत अच्छे.
Movie के songs are not specially made like गेरुआ जो शाहरुख का था, तो you can play in earphones and listen to the songs. It is different. These songs are specially made so that कि तुम movie के storyline और rhythm के साथ चलो. And that is special about that movie, and I felt beautiful movie. There are no doubts it should go beyond 200 crores. I feel some of the movies like this.
Definitely a 5. Gauri Shinde and Shah Rukh Khan make an amazing combination. So that's a hats off.
4.
4.
Well, looks like our very own Desi Greek god and Bhaijan of Indian cinema have bagged another feather to their caps. Yes, you heard us right. Hrithik Roshan and Salman Khan have made it into the list of having the most handsome faces in the world 2016-2017 by worldtopmost.com, an international website. What's more, while Hrithik is preceded in this list only by Hollywood heartthrobs Tom Cruise and Robert Pattinson, who are in the first and second positions respectively, Salman finds himself surrounded by the likes of Hugh Jackman and Johnny Depp. The rankings have been decided based on their attractive personalities and their popularity around the world. Apart from their persona and looks, brownie points have been also added for their physique, which is, as we all agree, is to die for. Double dhamal for us, isn't it?
Alia Bhatt's starrer Dear Zindagi is a colorful saga of love and life. The arresting and picturesque backdrop of the film is scintillating. Alia looks formidably lovely and naturally cute. Shah Rukh has sure sprinkled some magic with his oh so manly look. Girls are already swooning. Dear Zindagi was the most awaited film and fans sure did go gaga. Alia has always won hearts with her bubbliness. The film is about merry dance around the sun full of mirth, laughter, tears and life lessons in between. The story of the film is very much contemporary and has a brilliant appeal to all the youngsters out there. For a modern person, life has become complex and 24 hours a day is not enough. In between such chaos comes Dear Zindagi as a recluse and an escape. The film is evocative and rich in vibrancy. It is deeply colored with life and has an animated feel. This beautiful Gauri Shinde film has made an impact. Bollywood Spy gives it a 4-star rating. So guys, did you watch it already? Comment below and share your thoughts with us.
Not only in India, Salman Khan does have a great fan following around the globe too. And now, Salman is all set to make his Australian fans crazy in Dabangg style. Yes, Salman Khan's Dabangg the Tour will be held in Melbourne, and the concert tickets made surprising records. Well, all the tickets got sold within few hours after the booking started. It seems not only his Indian fans, but his Australian fans also love him a lot. The concert will be held in 2017, but from now, people are going crazy to see Salman's Dabangg concert. Not only his fans, but Salman himself is also very excited to perform for his Australian fans. So have you booked your Dabangg concert tickets? If no, then stay tuned on Bollywood Spy for the latest updates live from the concert. So guys, what do you think about Salman's Dabangg 2017 concert? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below. Everyone is extremely excited for Salman Khan's upcoming movie Tube Light. In between all these exhilaration and anticipation, here's Zuzu's latest Instagram picture. Yes, we wonder if this gorgeous elegant look in a comfy and slouchy salwar kameez is actually the actress's look for the film. Well, the leading lady has hashtagged the picture as Zuzu Club Heaven, looking like an angel in Ahakzai style fashion tube light. So, you see guys, there's a mention of the film's name. The producers and directors of the film have taken great care to conceal her look till the launch. However, at least we have an idea of how she might look in the movie. The film is based on an Indo-Chinese war and will surely appeal to the contemporary times. Well, we all are really excited to watch Sallu Mian wave his magic wand and win our hearts once again after Sultan. So guys, do comment below and share your thoughts with us. One man who's managed to stay in news always is our Sultan of Bollywood, Salman Khan. Well, and this news will leave you awestruck for sure. Why? Here's a first look at Salman Khan's biopic, but in a Turkish edition. Now, isn't that amazing? One can see a collection of pictures and story behind this man who's touched hearts across the globe. Though it isn't a surprise since Bhaijan has touched many lives through his movies and also with his charity work through his Being Human Foundation. And this propels people to love him even more, and with sheer gratitude in their heart, they always want to do some hatke stuff for him. And this happens to be one of it. We have to wait for Bhai's reaction on this. Though he's currently busy working on Kabir Khan's Tube Light and the reality show Big Boss 10. So Salman Khan fans, what do you think about Salman's biopic in a Turkish edition? Do let us know. The Khan Khandan and some of their close friends were spotted at author Dian Pandey's bash. Apart from Salman and Sohail Khan, celebrities like Sangeeta Bijlani and Amrita Arora were spotted leaving the party. Last night, author Dian Pandey held a bash at brother-in-law Chunky Pandey's house. And how the Khan Khandan could miss it? After all, the Khans share a great bond with the Pandeys. ये तो हम सबको पता है, isn't it? While Salman was spotted leaving the party with supermodel Niketan Madhok, we also spotted actress Sangeeta Bijlani, who was looking super stunning in a blue jumpsuit. Nikalte, just have a look at the pictures of the starry bash. So guys, what do you think? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below.
Superstar Salman Khan's love life has always remained sparkling. Bhai have had alleged girlfriends and flames in the past, but the color of his romance never seems to dim. Recently, Salman Khan was spotted partying with his ex-girlfriend Sangeeta Bijlani. The babe looked haughty as hell. She was in a royal blue jumpsuit and was turning up the heat at the party. Chunky Pandey and his sister threw a lavish party at the big wigs of Bollywood were present, including Salman's sister Arpita Khan and her husband Ayush Sharma. Sangeeta has always been a close friend of Salman and has also been a part of many Khan's family get-together. Both the ex-flames seem to have a gala time with each other, forgetting the world behind. So guys, what do you think about coming close of these lovebirds once again? Comment below and share your valuable thoughts with us.
Maybe you've missed the news of the newfound buddy of Dabangg Khan, but Bollywood Spy brings you super exciting news about Salman Khan's new friend. Ji haan? Well, it looks like Salman has put an end to his tiff with the Khiladi Kumar of Bollywood. Recently, Salman was spotted on the first look launch of 2.0, and the good news doesn't end here. Salman ne Akke ki jam ki tareef bhi ki. When asked about Akke, Dabangg Khan said, "Akshay is the most hardworking actors of this industry. We all remain stagnant, but he keeps on growing." It seems like Salman and Akshay are the new best buddies of the Tinseltown. What do you guys think about the newfound best buddies of B-Town? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below. For more exciting Bollywood news, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy. Superstar Salman Khan is not only a doting brother, but is also a loving son. Today is his father Salim Khan's birthday, and therefore, it's got to be a special day for our very own Bhaijan. And so Salu Mia took to Twitter to wish his father a happy birthday. He posted an adorable picture from his childhood gallery, and fans went awe over this father-son love. Salim Khan is rather a humble man, and we wish him many happy returns of the day too. Salu Mia never fails to make his near and dear ones feel special, despite his super busy schedule, isn't it? Be it his sister's anniversary or friend Sania's sister's wedding. Currently, Salman Bhai is busy shooting for his upcoming thriller Tube Light. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts with us in the comment box below.